Let's dive into the unboxing of the Ava Gold 9-inch Lizard crossbody Teddy Blake bag. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny, and for today's video, super exciting unboxing. This is a collaboration with Teddy Blake. They did reach out to me back in January and asked me to do a review on one of their handbags, and I could not say no. How? The representative that I had, phenomenal. Shane, you're amazing. He was giving me options of bags that I could choose from, and then also he gave me the ability to go on the site and pick out my own bag that would suit me, my personality, my everyday needs. And the one that I set my eyes on was sold out. So he was giving me other options, and he was like, what about this one? It's almost similar. And your girl is stubborn and set in her ways. I was given the option to wait for her to come back in stock. And I said, yeah. He's like, okay, we'll wait for it to come in stock. My mom was like, maybe they're not going to call you back. Maybe they're not going to reach out to you again. I said, I'm going to leave it to JC. If that bag is mine, it's mine. I'm going to leave it to that man. I got an email last week saying, girl, your bag is here. A little reference about my preferences for bag. I am a crossbody bag kind of girl. You will never see me throw nothing over this shoulder, baby. Throw it on the body, keep it pushing. We just want to be able to move, not worry, carry anything on our hands. Very rare you'll ever see me carry my purse in my hand. If I do, it's aesthetic. I'm not really trying to carry my purse in my hand like that. It will always be across my body. My everyday bag is this bag and then my Alma BB. I rotate between those two, but I'm like, I need another one. I can't just be rotating these two bags. And then God dropped this in my email and said, hey, this belongs to you. Without further ado, I wanted to give you my genuine reaction to the bag. They did ask me to open it prior to making this video, but I said I wanted to be honest with my community and tell them my first impressions of the bag. I know what she looks like already. I've seen her online. I just hope she looks like this in person. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna unbox, give my first impressions. I'm also gonna talk about craftsmanship, all the important elements that I look for when I'm purchasing a bag, because we are picky. So let's dive into the video. Okay, packaging. I'm just gonna open this really quick. So this is what the box looks like. The bag comes securely wrapped. With her. My first impressions, it's definitely giving luxurious. The lizard print, super elegant, classy. I was a little bit scared because I felt like this is stepping out of my comfort zone, but I knew that I wanted something different compared to my other two everyday bags. I am not disappointed at all. It's just giving classy, luxury. It feels very heavy duty. It doesn't feel like, you know, when you purchase a bag and it's fluxy, it's very flimsy. This is giving top, up there. I picked gold hardware. All of my bags are silver, so I'm like, let me do something a little bit different because I have a lot of black and silver purses. I think she was worth the wait, especially with my outfit that I have on right now. I like to always wear black. I like textured black clothes. This across my body. What else do I need? Let's do the inside of the bag. I'm assuming how do you do this? You're gonna lift up. I feel like for the most part, I'll be wearing it like that anyways. So here's the inside of the bag. It looks like there's a type of suede inside. Then there's also an additional zipper. So you can put whatever you want in here. See how deep, oh, it's the entire size of the back of the bag. And then we have another zipper back here, and I'm assuming you can actually use it. Let's see. Yes. So it has the strap to wear across your body. This securely wrapped as well. More than securely wrapped. You don't want me to open it. Okay. Oh my God, so pretty. This is the strap for the bag. Gold hardware on the clips. Gold hardware all along the hooks as well. And then it also came with a lock. And on the lock, it says Teddy Blake, New York, which is super cute. This is a bag all dressed up. I put the strap on her, and then I also put the lock and the tag. I did do a little bit of research just to make sure like I was picking the right one. Teddy Blake does pride himself with his craftsmanship. These bags are made with the same leather as the luxury bags that we absolutely love and adore. Everything is genuine leather, and it is made in Italy. Another thing that I love about this bag, the price point is far by none compared to the other bags. I think my Alma BB was like maybe $1,200. This bag is retailing right now for $340. The quality doesn't match the price. I wouldn't mind slapping $1,200 on this. This is a beautiful crafted bag. And I'm not gonna lie, when I was picking this bag, even though I was very stubborn, I feel like there's something on the website for everybody. This just screams Dani. This is me. And I'm not saying this because this video is a collaboration. You guys know I like to be really raw and honest with you. It is in alignment with all the clothes that I wear. I wear black everything. And I like to wear sleek, very classy clothes. And I feel like this is just a chef's kiss, cherry on top, for the aesthetic and the vibe that I go for now. Like, you know, we used to dress like a city girl, but now we're a classy girl. And I feel like this bag is giving classy. I love the gold detailing. That is like throwing me a curve right now because I'm not a gold person. It's very rare you ever see me wearing gold. And this bag literally just... Let's talk hardware. Sleek, sophisticated, perfect for any occasion. I unfortunately overdress everywhere I go. I'm just gonna give you a generic idea of the outfits I would personally wear. So if we're doing like a casual day out brunch with the girlies, I would pair it with some ripped jeans or boyfriend jeans in a nice white bodysuit and then a cute leather jacket, maybe a tan or a beige leather jacket. And if not, I would wear my trench leather jacket. I have a brown one, I have a black one, but I think I would more gear towards the black one. My second outfit would be office attire, cute blazer, nice blue dress shirt, and then some beige khaki pants. And the last one would be for like evening if you're going out for dinner with your man or if you're going out with the girlies. I would wear a nice, sexy bodycon black dress, and then I would wear some strappy heels or my flip-flop heels, which I've been loving lately. Those are the three outfits that I would wear with this specific bag. You can't really dress down. It's not something you just throw on a hoodie and a sweatsuit with. I personally wouldn't. If you could pull it off, write a book and send it to me, okay? Right now, I'm just gonna throw everything that I would normally carry in my everyday bags in it and see if everything fits. So give me 1 second and let me do that. So this is my phone. I have two phones. I can't check with my second phone because we're filming on it. So this is my other phone. This is the iPhone 15. We're popping her in here. This is my pouch. It's my wallet. I just carry a second wallet inside of it. Sometimes it gets a little bit stuffed, but right now I cleaned it out, so I'm going to add that to the bag. I always carry 2 lip combos, so I'm going to throw them in there too. I also carry a perfume oil, so that's currently what was in my other purse. I was going out for dinner, and usually when I'm going out, I usually carry a lot of stuff with me, and this is what it's looking like. It's still giving a lot of space inside. Normally in my other purses, it's like my phones are like right at the brim. It's giving additional space for me to put more things in there. In terms of essentials, I feel like this bag is more spacious than my other 2 bags, which is very interesting because I stuff those bags. I'm surprised they haven't broken yet, the way I stuff them. Also, I do carry like hand sanitizer, wipes, and all that stuff. And I'm going to test it out when I go upstairs and see if all of those things can fit in there with what I have in right now, with all my lip combos. I honestly do feel like it is going to fit in there. Overall, I am very pleased. I literally have no complaints. Not only is it a beautiful bag, but it's extremely functional. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was so excited to do this unboxing with you guys. I literally waited 7 months for this bag to come. I'm grateful that I waited that long. I will leave the link for the crossbody bag in the description box below. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you guys would wear with the bag, if you would purchase the bag, and what you keep in your bag. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with someone who is looking for a new sexy handbag, because this one is it, baby. Me showing you on camera is not doing this bag justice, and I'm not even trying to be extra. You guys know me. I like to be real and raw with you. I'm not gonna overhype something if it's not worth it, and this is worth the overhyping. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.